Number 10. Foss. One of the most beautiful waterfalls in the whole of Iceland, Foss is also one of its most popular. This is, in large part, because you can walk behind its cascading curtain of water. While this makes for some incredible photos, the falls are just as marvelous to view from in front as they gush off the top of a 60-meter-high cliff. Located just off the renowned Ring Road in the south of the island, Foss is not to be missed out on for its scenic setting and unique and unusual cave viewpoint.